Hi, in this video I will show you how to create marquee announcement bar for your Shopify store with multiple components and place it above the header. For this task I will use Shopify app Fab Infinite Marquee. You can find it in the Shopify App Store and I will add the link below the video. To create announcement bar in the app's dashboard we need to press Add New Marquee button. Let's rename it and press Save. Then we need to add new content. We press Add New button and write something like Sale 50% off. Press Save. Then Limited offer. And let's redirect our buyers to the catalog page with our products. We can add a link to the Buy Now text. So we need to select it and press Insert Link button. Here we can paste a link to our catalog page. Let's turn off Open a New Window setting, choose Underline Visible and color white, because our background will have a red color. Insert link, press Save, and let's set up our announcement bar. So we select white color for text and red color for background. We also can choose a color of border. Let's make it the same color. Let's also choose a direction from right to left. Space between content, let's make 100 pixels. Choose uppercase. Add more distance, 16 pixels, and add effect pause on mouse over. So now when we hover our announcement bar, we will have such effect and can easily read the text. Let's save our announcement bar and go to installation. Let's select top bar and we have different options. If we want to place announcement bar above the header, we can choose top bar or top bar sticky. If we will choose top bar sticky, we will have also the effect when the announcement bar is always visible during scrolling. So let's choose such effect and let me show you the result. Our demo site, we have our announcement bar, and during the scroll it is always visible. So this is it. Thank you for watching.